Hello my fans, welcome to my channel. Before I solve this particular question, I will review 3 things where you need to understand. First, let me say if I get maybe a log n base a, as far as I say this base and the base of this logarithm, then they're the same. The answer will just be n. Everything here will just vanish. The answer can be n. Again, power law of logarithm. If I get 3 log a base x like this, these 3 way in front of the logarithm will come up as the power. So the answer will come be log a to the power of 3 is x. See, this one will come up like this. Are the 2 things. The second thing I don't tell you. Now the third thing we say a to the power of m times a to the power of n. As the base they the same, I'll take common base and add the power m plus n. This one's now from logarithms. This one now from indices. Write these things down. I go apply all of them for here. If I do, I will know. Yeah, let's go. Before I go differentiate, find this the y over the x. Make you run all those things so I teach you for this place. So y now will be equal to x squared plus x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4, waiting can and join with this exponent of this particular function we see here. Now times. So if you use dot or if you use times, anyone will use. Then what of this one? That's what I teach for log. Say this one with the front of log will come up here. We can apply an exponential log x to the power of minus 2. Minus 2 don't climb come up of base e. I don't apply one of the things what I tell you. Secondly, y equal to x squared plus x to the power of 4 times. The second thing what I teach you say when you get base, then log of the same base. It means that the whole of this one will come out. Anything with there, that will be the answer. So the answer for this one now can be x to the power of negative 2. The third thing why I explain give you x squared plus, I tell you say when the base they the same, the product of indices, when the base they the same, take one of the base and add the power. So 4 plus minus 2, plus minus na minus. So 4 minus 2 will give me 2. So I can get 2. Clap for me. I don't apply the 3 things so I tell you I go use. Clap for me. I hit the like button. Man, no say don't clap. Like, do them now. I know say you go share them after the video. Just first hit the like. You don't do them. You never subscribe. Oh. Why now will be equal to x squared plus x squared? Because they common, I will just take one of the x squared. But 1 there, the coefficient. 1 plus 1 will give me 2. So that means since the way they get a plus a now 2a, and the same way x squared plus x squared now 2x squared. A enter b. Finally, now I can take the derivative of this one with respect to x. If I find the y over the x now of this function using this particular formula, general formula of differentiation, an x to the power of n minus 1. This n a constant, and be this 2 times n, anywhere I see power, any power I get, and I will put for this n. So here now, the power I get now 2. 2 will come here. X to the power of 2 will still come here. 2 minus 1. So 2 times 2 will give me 4. Then x to the power of 2 minus 1 or 1. So the answer now will be 4x. Therefore, the derivative of y with respect to x, the y over the x, now 4x for this particular function. Me, I know say I break down everything, and you too, you understand. The only way you will encourage me is to like my video and share them. If you never subscribe, hit the subscribe button. I beg. Turn on the bell icon, the notification bell. So anytime I upload new video, now you go first. You know say I don't upload. If you share this video, you help me. You know go help it. Now me, you help. I support me, share the video and like them. Peace and love.